Water is a finite and irreplaceable natural resource that is vital to human well-being. It is only renewable if well managed. Today, more than 1.7 billion people live in river basins where depletion through use exceeds natural recharge. A trend that will see two-thirds of world's population living in water-stressed countries by 2025. Water can pose a serious challenge to sustainable development, but if managed efficiently and equitably, water can play a key enabling role in strengthening the resilience of social, economic, and environmental systems in the light of rapid and unpredictable changes. We forget that water cycle and the life cycle are one. Save water before it's too late.